Hello. This video will demonstrate how you can safely remove urethanes and epoxies from concrete floors using RonJohn liquid strip. First, let's cover the necessary safety equipment. If you're in a poorly ventilated space, you will need to use a paint and solvent rated cartridge type respirator similar to this one. Today I have the benefit of a large ventilation fan, so I will not need this. Anytime you're working with chemicals, eye protection is strongly advised. I'll be using glasses to protect against splashes, but you can also use goggles or a face shield. Even though RonJohn has only a moderate exposure risk, you should always wear gloves when there is a risk of contact. To prepare the floor for stripping, I'm sweeping away any loose debris. This floor is coated with a gray epoxy over an old layer of clear polyurethane. I am now ready to apply RonJohn liquid strip by simply pouring it on the area to be stripped. To spread the RonJohn, I'm using a common household broom. Be sure that the brush or broom that you use to spread your RonJohn has natural polyethylene or polyester bristles. Otherwise, RonJohn may begin to dissolve them. I only want to strip a small square for this demonstration, so I'm being extra careful to control my spreading. We estimate that you should cover approximately 200 square feet per gallon. If your coating is very thick or porous, more may be required. After 30 minutes of dwell time, you can see that RonJohn liquid strip has loosened the coating from the floor. We're now ready to scrape away the coating using a floor scraper that I picked up at a local big box hardware store. Look how easy the coating is removed from the floor. Because this floor has a lot of scratches in its surface, I'm using a scrub pad to lightly scrub away residual material inside the scratches. There are a number of commercial scrubbing machines that could be used if needed for bigger projects. Now I'm cleaning away the waste material from the stripping process. For a large job, you might consider using a shovel to remove the waste. RonJohn is not considered toxic or hazardous by the EPA, and it is readily biodegradable, so unless the coating you are removing has limitations on disposal, the waste can be landfilled or incinerated. You should, however, always check your local restrictions. RonJohn has a pronounced fruity aroma that will eventually dissipate, but if you desire to eliminate the residual smell, you can simply wash your work area with a solution of household ammonia, such as this one I'm using here. Here I'm using my broom again to spread the ammonia solution around the work area. Now I'm simply mopping up the ammonia solution so the floor can dry. The difference is much more obvious about an hour later when the floor has dried. Before stripping, after stripping. You can see that RonJohn Liquid Strip has removed the epoxy and polyurethane with very little effort. Thank you for your interest in RonJohn, and have a great day.